This is the 3D Viewmaster adventure of the X-Men in Captive Hearts. Now you can catch X-Men action in 3D. That's right. The stars of Marvel Comics and their uncanny animated TV series are now on Viewmaster. And the first set of reels is based on one of the most popular episodes of the TV show. As you go through the reels, you'll see why an X-Men always needs to be on their guard. What starts out as a quiet night on the town ends in potential disaster for Jean Grey and Cyclops. It all begins as they spot a young mutant stealing from a fruit stand. When they chase the mutant into a subway station, they are suddenly surrounded by the underground dwelling mutants known as the Morlocks. Using their strange powers, the Morlocks attack the two heroes. When innocent bystanders are knocked onto the tracks, Jean turns away from the battle to save them. But the distraction takes its toll, giving the Morlock, Anna Lee, a chance to strike. Victorious, the Morlocks carry the heroes away to their secret hideout. As Scott regains consciousness, the Morlocks' leader, Callisto, tells him that he will be the Morlocks' prisoner forever. Meanwhile, Jean awakens and, slowly regaining her strength, uses her telekinetic powers to break free from her chains and send a telepathic cry to Professor X. Within minutes, Gambit, Storm, Wolverine and Rogue are on the move to save their teammates. Will they get there in time to save Jean and Cyclops? Find out in the first action-packed X-Men Viewmaster reels. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. The Uncanny X-Men. Picture 2. Cyclops and Jean see a Morlock stealing fruit. Picture 3. Following him, they encounter more Morlocks. Picture 4. Jean's powers breaks down the blue slime. Picture 5. Helpless people are tossed on the track. Picture 6. But Jean rescues them from the incoming train. Picture 7. A strange mutant power puts people to sleep. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Thunder takes Jean and Cyclops to his leader. Picture 9. Only powerful Cyclops can be my mate. Picture 10. Helpless. Jean is bound with chains and ropes. Picture 11. They didn't count on her mutant's powers. Picture 12. Professor X, we need reinforcements. Picture 13. Gambit pits his cards against a blue slime. Picture 14. Wolverine's claws meet Callisto's stuff. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. Storm causes chaos among the Morlocks. Picture 16. Jean gets even with thunder. Picture 17. A strange spell is put upon Gambit. Picture 18. Wolverine must get Cyclops back to the infirmary. Picture 19. Storm and Callisto battle for control of the Morlocks. Picture 20. Storm, the victor. Picture 21. The X-Men have met another challenge. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.